Hey there, iPhone lovers! If you've got an iPhone 15 Pro Max, I'm about to make your life a whole lot easier. Did you know you can unlock your iPhone using your Apple Watch? Yeah, it's super cool. Let's dive right into it. First things first, grab your iPhone 15 Pro Max and head to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. You'll need to enter your passcode here, so have that ready. Once you're in, scroll down some more until you see Unlock with Apple Watch. Now, make sure your Apple Watch is on and connected. You'll see a toggle switch next to your watch's name. Go ahead and turn that on. Boom! You're halfway there. Now let's test it out. Make sure you're wearing your Apple Watch and it's unlocked. Wake your iPhone by tapping the screen or raising it. Just glance at the screen like you normally would. If everything's set up correctly, your iPhone should unlock automatically. It's that simple. No more fumbling with your phone when you're wearing a mask or your hands are full. This feature is a game changer, trust me. So there you have it. Unlocking your iPhone 15 Pro Max with your Apple Watch is super easy and convenient. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay tech savvy.